In this video, we are going to be looking at the determination of national income equilibrium in three-sector model. It is three-sector model because there are three major constituents. That is consumption, investment, and government. Now, so consumption plus investment plus government make up the whole income of the nation. Now, in given this question here, C plus I plus G, where C, consumption, that is private consumption, equals A plus BYD. Then YD, this YD is also split here, it has its own function, Y minus T. That is, to get our disposable income, which is YD, we need to take away the tax from the income before we can get disposable income. Then we have investment, 30, we have consumption, autonomous here, which is A, then we have marginal operation consumption, which is 7.75. We have tax to be 20, then we have G to be 10. Now, if you want to find the equilibrium level of this information now, of this national income, now what we can use different methods. We can use specific method, we can also use a reduced method. So let's use reduced method here. In using reduced method, let's write our function, the national income function back, y equals C plus I plus G. Now, since we are writing this now, then we write our C back. But in writing our C, don't forget that our C has its own separate function. So if you look at the information, if the C has its own function, you have to put the function here instead of writing C, instead of writing capital letter C. So it has function, you write A plus B Y, that's a function. Plus I does not have any function, we write I back. Plus G does not have any function, we write G back. Now, having written this now, the next thing we write our Y back equals A again, no function, plus B Y. Don't forget this is YD, sorry, YD. Now YD has its own function. So we bracket, because it's B times YD. This bracket means times. So YD is now Y minus T. Close bracket. Now then put the plus back, then put the investment back, put the G back. Now having done this now, no splitter function again. So what we just do is we write our Y back equals A plus B times Y, BY, plus B times minus T, that will give us minus BT, plus I plus G. So when we have all of this now, then what we just do quickly is just to have Y here, Y, then we collect the like terms. Minus this plus BY becomes minus BY. So we have minus BY because it's coming to the left. Then we have A minus BT plus I plus G. So why did we take only BY? Because it's the only one that has the same thing with Y. So that is why we are taking only BY. Now, having done that, now what are you going to do? You factor out the common thing between Y and minus BY here. So what is that common thing? The common thing is Y, as we all see. So we say Y bracket minus, Y bracket, Y going Y will be 1 minus BY divided by Y. If you say BY divided by Y cancel Y, you only have B left. So we are going to have B here. So we are going to say A minus BT plus I plus G. So having done this, we divide both sides by, let me continue from here. So we are having Y bracket 1 minus B bracket equals A minus BT plus I plus G. So what do we do now? We divide both sides by 1 minus B. Then 1 minus B. This we cancel out this. So what we are going to have now? Y equals A minus BT plus I plus G over 1 minus B. So if you want to do this now, Y, this is our equilibrium level now. Equilibrium level. This is our equilibrium, we have derived it. So we can just insert the value given to us now. So we can say A, what is our A? A, the consumption function is 85. Minus B, what is our B? Our B, 0.75. 0.75 bracket T. What is our T? Our T is 20. You know it's going to be bracket because BT times is between them. We're going to bracket 20 plus our investment is 30. Our investment is 30 plus our G. Our G is 10. Everything over 1 minus B 0.75. So we are going to be having y equals 85 minus 0.75 times 20 give us minus 15. Then plus 30 plus 10 over 0.25. 1 minus 0.75 is 0.25. So we are going to be having here 85 minus 15. That was going to give us 70 plus 30, 100 plus 10, 110 over 0.25. So that our y is going to be, what's going to be our y? 110 divided by 0.25 is going to give us 440. That is our equilibrium level. That is our national equilibrium level. Please subscribe and get more of our video. Thank you.